Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can enter for the pairing mode on your Jaybird buds. First, open charging case, remove them, click and hold these buttons until this indicator starts blinking. Okay, right now they are turned off. The indicator turns to the red. So right now, click and hold together until they start blinking. And as you can see, there it is. The next step on our device, we have to go for the Bluetooth settings and then go to the pair new device. As you can see right now, I can find my Jaybird Run buds. So when I click on them once, I will be successfully connected after a few moments. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.